Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again with another money-making website, and this one is kinda new. But before I jump into the website, if it's your first time visiting this channel, can you please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. With that out of the way, as I mentioned before, this website is kinda new in this money-making space. As you can see here on their landing page, it only has 36 reviews on Trustpilot. So this website is called RedMonkey. RedMonkey is a get-paid-to site that lets you earn by taking surveys, playing games, and installing apps. Get rewarded for your valuable time and as well as by being an active participant or user. This website is almost available worldwide. And it's free to join. You don't need to pay anything to start earning from RedMonkey. As you can see here, they only have over 72,000 members. Today's earnings is $488 and total money paid to their current members is $31708. And they mentioned here that they have everything you need to start earning, like playing games or taking surveys. They've like a variety of tasks available to choose from on their earn page. They have a curated selection of top-notch offers from their third-party companies, aiming to promote their apps, surveys, and products. Just like any other get-paid-to site, you will also get a chance to complete offers. The majority of offers are straightforward according to RedMonkey, and have already generated income for thousands of individuals. These offers typically require approximately 5 to 10 minutes to complete according to this site. At the end of the day, you'll get paid, ladies and gentlemen. They say here, upon successfully finishing each task, you will receive coins as a reward. 1,000 coins equivalent to $1. Redeem your accumulated coins and obtain your well-deserved cash for free. So what is RedMonkey according to them? RedMonkey app serves as an innovative GPT platform, collaborating with prominent market research firms. This partnership creates a remarkable opportunity for individuals worldwide to effortlessly earn money by engaging in various activities such as surveys, games, and other online tasks. What is the coin's value on RedMonkey? You can earn virtual coins when using RedMonkey. 1,000 of these coins equals to $1. As mentioned before, how can you verify your account? Here on RedMonkey, according to this site, accounts are automatically verified by staff. You do not need to do anything to become verified. How to earn money on RedMonkey? You can visit Earn page and earn coins by playing games, quizzes, completing surveys, and other tasks as shown. According to them, it is very simple. If you want to join RedMonkey, I will leave a link in the description down below. When you click on the link in the description down below, it will take you directly to their landing page, where you can click this button right over here, that's written Get Started. You'll be automatically directed to their dashboard. Then click this button right over here, then you see Earn, Cash Out, Leaderboard, Rewards, and there at the bottom you will see Sign In or Register. Because we don't have an account, we will choose Register. After clicking Register, you'll be redirected into this page where you will need to fill in your email, password, confirm password, or you can sign up using Google. It is up to you. After the sign up process is complete, you will be required to choose an avatar of your choice. Then after, you'll be automatically redirected to their dashboard again. As they mentioned on their landing page, you'll automatically be verified as soon as you complete the sign-up process. So here's how it looks like. This is how the Earn section looks like. We have the featured offers. When you scroll down a little bit, we have the popular offer. These are all the games available in the country that I'm located in. Because this games, in most cases, they vary from country to country. So in your country, it might be possible you get high pay in different offers wall section. As we all know, this depends on the country that you are located in. Now let's jump to the Cash Out tab. This is how it looks like. Here you'll see all the cash out options that are available on this platform. As you can see here, you can withdraw your earnings via crypto, or you can choose gift cards. Whenever you've accumulated enough points, you can come to this section. If you choose cryptocurrencies, the minimum withdrawal is 500 coins. If you choose gift cards, minimum withdrawal is $5, of which is 5,000 coins. Unfortunately, PayPal at this time of recording this video is not available. Maybe they will add it as time goes by. Now let's move on to the leaderboard section. Here you'll see all the people who have accumulated the most coins, and if you become number 1, you'll get rewarded for that. Then the last section is the rewards section. Here on this section you'll see your available coins, total earned, and the ones that are on hold. So that's it for this video, guys. I will leave a link down in the description box down below, in order to be easy for you to join this get paid to site. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section sharing your opinion about this site. I would really love to hear from you. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.